Welcome back to my channel once again. These are some important tips for NCERT NEET. Exactly as per NCERT, I am giving you the tips. These are mechanism to produce seeds without fertilization, means apomixis. This is the term. Examples are asteraceae and grasses. Next is occurrence of more than one embryo in one seed. That is called polyembryony. This term is polyembryony. Here what happens? The nucellar cells surrounding embryo sac divide, and then it protrudes into embryo sac. Then again it divides into many embryos. For example, citrus and mango, they are examples of polyembryony. Now fruit develop without fertilization. The term used is parthenocarpy. Always remember these terms. Then seedless fruits of banana is an example of parthenocarpic fruit. Such seedless varieties of banana are induced through growth hormones. Fruits contain large number of seeds. What are the fruits? Orchids, parasitic orobank and strica. Then we come to oldest viable seeds, that is Lupinus arcticus. They are found from Arctic tundra. Next is 2000-year-old viable seed, that is Phoenix dactylifera. It is one of the date palm. It is excavated from King Herod's palace near Dead Sea. Now coming to this part, the nucleus of functional megaspore. Nucleus of functional megaspore undergoes mitosis 3 times. First, it becomes 2 nucleate stage, then again mitosis, then 4 nucleate stage, again mitosis, then 8 nucleate embryo sacs are formed. These divisions are free nuclear divisions, means no cell wall is formed immediately. Cell wall is formed but not so immediately. The 6 nuclei out of these 8 nucleated get covered by cell wall after certain time, but 2 nuclei known as polar nuclei are contained within central cell. There is a diploid. Now mature seeds may be X-albuminous or non-albuminous and albuminous. The difference between them is the X-albuminous have no residual endosperm, but albuminous retain a part of endosperm. X-albuminous endosperm is consumed, and in albuminous it is not completely consumed. Examples are pea and groundnut, and here the examples are wheat, maize, barley and castor. Now remnants of nucellus means perisperm, it is present in 2 of the varieties. One is black pepper, another is beet. So thank you once again, and please subscribe the channel. If you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.